In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a professional email address with Wix. It's a straightforward process, and by the end of this video, you will have a professional-looking email address that will boost your business image. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Wix homepage. Open your web browser and go to the Wix website. If you're already logged in, you should be directed to your dashboard. This is your control center for managing your website and all the associated features. If you aren't logged in, take a moment to sign in with your credentials to gain access to your site's dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the Settings option and give it a click. The Settings section is where you can control various aspects of your Wix account and site. It's essentially the backbone for all the adjustments you might need to make, ranging from the mundane to the more complex configurations. In the Settings menu, you'll want to locate the search bar and type in Business Email. This search function is a handy tool that filters through the myriad of settings, streamlining your path to the business email setup page. Once you've entered the term Business Email, click on the option that appears. This will direct you to a page where you can initiate the process of setting up your business email. It's incredibly user-friendly and well-organized, so you'll have no trouble navigating through the process. Now, you should see an option titled Connect a Domain. Click on that. This brings us to an essential part of the process. Connecting a domain is necessary if you want your email address to have a professional domain name matching your website, like yourname@yourbusiness.com. If you already have a domain connected to your Wix account, the process is even smoother. Simply follow the prompts to link your domain, ensuring your email aligns perfectly with your existing web address. If you don't currently own a domain, Wix provides an easy way to purchase one directly within the platform. While there will be prompts and instructions in this section, just remember to take your time and read everything carefully. This is typically the most technical part of the process, so don't hesitate to consult Wix's support resources if you find yourself needing a bit more guidance. And that's it! You've successfully set up a professional email address with Wix. This new email will not only make your communications look more professional, but also create consistency across your branding. Remember, the key to a seamless process is to take each step carefully and use the built-in tools and resources Wix offers. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.